2007 Toyota Sequoia, limited 4-wheel drive. Here is one of the most desirable Toyota platforms, the Sequoia Limited with the legendary drivetrain, fully loaded and in excellent shape. This one is a one owner, 0 accident AutoCheck. History report, only has 157,000 miles. That's right, only 157,000 miles. These go hundreds and hundreds of thousands of miles. They are such bulletproof drivetrains, such fantastic build quality SUVs. I'm gonna try and do a quick video walk around of this one, show you exactly what it is, the ins and out, the blemishes, and just exactly what this particular Sequoia is. This particular one is black in color on the outside. Very, very clean all the way around. Of course, you know, it's a 10 or 15-year-old vehicle already, so it's gonna have its few little scuffs and scratches or chips here or there, but overall very nice. Shows pride of ownership. Moving up here to the front, it's in nice shape overall. You know, we've got a few small little touch-up points like this that rock chips have chipped away at, but nothing major for sure. The headlights are in good shape. They do show a little bit of oxidation, but these Toyota style headlights are extremely easy to have buffed out and look brand new again. In fact, I might even just try and go ahead and have that done because they come back so nicely. But overall, the front end is in very nice shape. Coming down this passenger side, it's in great shape. Looks like we have a couple little water spots there. But just a very, very nice mirror finish on this black paint. A few little small scuffs here and there, but nothing major or deeper problematic. Rear end is all in good shape. Does have the tow package on it. Bumper corners, liftgate, all of that is in great shape. Coming down this driver's side, in good shape once again. A few little scuffs look like right there. That would easily buff out though. That's not to the paint. Just very, very clean. Hood is in nice shape. No scratches or anything crazy like that going on. Sitting on nice tires. They still have plenty of tread left and roll down the road great. We'll go and jump on the inside here. This has the light gray leather interior. Very, very nice shape. A little bit of light soiling that would easily clean up. A little bit of light wear here on the edge like normal. One small, about 2-inch section here that's chipped away, but that's just normal for a vehicle of this age and you know, just for normal used leather. It does have the full coverage rubber Sequoia branded mats and the carpeted mats. All power locks and windows, JBL sound system. It does have memory seats, the power sliding rear glass, which of course works. Steering wheel controls here, cruise control there. Of course, a clean and clear dash. Everything right in the zone of where you'd want it. Let me go ahead and turn down some of this air. The air conditioning is on and it's working great. I'll go ahead and do a quick key cycle here. It just fires right up like all Toyotas do. Just comes to life, runs so smooth, very quiet, and sounds great. Nothing crazy or funny sounding going on. All of your climate controls here, rear air, your 4-wheel drive controls there, which of course work. Your mirror switch with power folding mirrors, heated seats there, multi-disc CD player, information there. The sunroof, which is surprisingly large for one of these. I've always been impressed, and it of course works. There's a one-touch close. This does have the optional limited air suspension, and it works of course as well. You push this button down here, and as you can see on the dash, it will either raise it up one level or drop it down another level. Very, very nice. Gives you some extra ground clearance if you're off-road or something. If you're towing, it's going to keep the rear end level the whole time. And you know, if you've got a load of people or a load of stuff in the back end, it's going to help keep it level as well. So that gets right aired up. I'll try and show that when it's done here. But just very, very nice in the front here. The dash is all in good shape. The whole interior just really shows pride of ownership. You know, this was clearly a one-owner vehicle. As you can see, it's now lifted up to full ride height. I'll go ahead and drop this down to the normal level by just pushing it back down one level, and we'll go ahead and release and go back down to where it needs to be. Looking at the back seat, it's in great shape. Not any major wear to speak of. You know, a few little minor soiling spots here, but that's just once again used leather. It does have dual DVD, headrest DVD systems, your rear climate controls, your center console. Once again, you can see the pride of ownership. This has got the original remote for those and a handwritten instructions on how to operate the DVD systems. They do come on and work. So very, very nice thing when you know somebody's willing to, when they're getting rid of their vehicle, write the instructions on how to use it. And the rear cargo area, your third row seats here, they fold down or can be pulled out. They're in good shape. And the passenger side rear seat, it's in good shape. Passenger side seat, you know, once again, just a little bit of light wear on this edge here, but nothing out of the ordinary. The fact that it's just used leather, and then the rest of the interior looks and smells great. I'll go ahead and pop the hood on this so we can take a look underneath. This is the legendary iForce 4.7 Toyota V8. I've read in several different articles along the way through the years that this is one of Toyota's best, most consistently high mileage engine. It's the one that you see the most often with the most miles on. They go hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of miles. It's not uncommon to see a Sequoia with 290, 300, 350, even 400,000 miles on these. And more often than not, they're the original drivetrain or just normal maintenance items have come up along the way. This one looks and sounds great, has plenty of power, everything is right in the zone, all the fluids look great, idles perfectly, starts good, just everything right how you would want it. So if this vehicle is of interest, feel free to get in contact with us. It's Brad and Miles Beckman here at Eagle Care Autos in McPherson. Brad, he's my dad, he's the owner. We're a small family dealership. We've been here about 20 years. He and I work here together. This is a very, very nice vehicle. A rare one owner. And once again, the mileage is very, very low. You know, they're getting so hard to find even close to this kind of mileage. So feel free to find us on our website, eaglecareautos.com. Subscribe to us on YouTube, like the video, find us on Facebook, and feel free to get in contact with us if there's some way we can serve you, whether it's on this vehicle or something else we may have of interest. Thanks so much for watching.